To change wallpaper on Redmi A7 Pro, first of all, we can open settings. Over here in settings, you want to scroll down a little bit and then go to personalization. Now over here, we should be able to scroll down and you can find many different example wallpapers that you can use on your phone. We have a couple of system wallpapers as well. Usually you can also tap on this more option on the right side in order to find even more different wallpapers that you can use quite easily. So once you find the wallpaper that you wish to use, you can just simply tap on it in order to select it. You can choose or decide if you want to set it for the lock screen, home screen, or both of these screens. I'm gonna choose both. And besides that, you can also adjust the wallpaper, so you can use the pinching gesture to zoom in and zoom out, and then you can also use two fingers in order to move the wallpaper around. You can also swipe to the home screen, for example, to make some further adjustments, like for example, we can toggle the blur option. We can also find effects in here that you can apply for the lock screen, but once you set up the wallpaper, you can tap on apply in the upper right corner, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.